calculus teaches us paano nagbabago ang mga bagay. Speed, cost, growth, lahat ng may pagbabago, may calculus behind it.
Oh, ano ba natutunan natin sa kalwaratan?
Okay, imagine, gusto ko ma-shoot tong bola from the free throw line. Ang galaw niya, hindi diretso, kundi curve, parang arc.
That arc, ang tawag yan ay parabola, and calculus helps us model it.
The equation we used is, and the variables are, S of t is the height of the ball at time, g is gravity, around 9.8 meters per second squared, v sub 0 is yung initial vertical velocity, kung gaano kabilis tinaas yung bola, and S of 0, yan yung initial height when Gerald released the ball. Gawin natin tong example. Bibitawan ni Gerald yung bola mula 2 meters high. Ang initial speed ay 10 meters per second. So, si Gerald nag-shoot from head level, around 2 meters. Tapos yung real speed niya ay 10 meters per second. I-plug natin yun.
Gusto ko malaman, kailan pinakamataas ang bola?
Malalaman natin yan kapag kinuha natin ang derivative.
Derive the function, then set it to 0 to get 1.02 seconds.
So after around 1 second, nasa pinakatuktok na ang bola.
Plug that back to the original equation to find the height. Then, ang lalabas is around 7.1 meters. So, yun yung highest point ng tira ni Gerald. Ang galing, di ba? That's projectile motion, calculus na may halong physics.
Paano naman kung budget problem? May 100 lang ako. Mayroon mo dyan ako tig 10. Ilang mo dyan ako bibili ko para masatisfy?
Optimization yan. Let's say, habang kumakain ka ng mudya ko, tumatapos mo. Pero pag sumobra na, magsawa ka na, tama.
Totoo. Pagka nakaka-eat na mudya ko na ako, parang nakumay na. Ngayon, kung gagamitan natin ng calculus,
Ang equation of satisfaction mo will look like this. S of x is equals to negative x squared plus 6x.
wait, saan galing yung equation? Ganito, negative kasi habang dumadami ang kinakain mo, yung satisfaction mo eventually ay bumababa, which is the parabola opening downward. Positive naman kasi early on, nagbibigay pa ng saya sa'yo yung mojako. Piniliin natin yung negative 1 at 6 as constant para realistic. Mabilis tumaas ang saya, pero di naman infinite. Yun yung sinasabi nila na sa umpisa lang talaga masaya.
Mudya ako ah. Pero, tama naman yung sinabi. Hindi naman talaga habang buhay masarap yung mudya ako.
Find the perfect number, kunin natin yung derivative. Negative x squared plus 6x will become negative 2x plus 6. Then, we solve for x. X will be 3. Application of calculus of finding the maximum satisfaction of eating mojako can also be applied in business and economics. Let's say your goal is maximizing profit or minimizing costs. Calculus can help you answer these questions.
So, 3 mojako para masulit. Yes, 30 pesos lang magagastos mo. May sukli ka ng 17 pesos. Fully satisfied ka pa. Ang galing, mojako optimization of sa calculus. Kita nyo? Calculus isn't just for rocket science or engineering. It's for real-life decisions too.
Napabasketball, budget, calculus, biyande.
Yung man napapansin, calculus na pala ang nangyayari.
Teka lang, calculus pala to?